Hi, I'm Brian with ericksontutoring.blogspot.com. Today we're going to define the term titration. So titration is a common lab technique in chemistry, and it's used to figure out the concentration of a reactant or a reagent. So you know what you have, you just don't know what sort of concentration it's in. So we're going to take a look at the diagram of how this technique is set up and learn about what it actually does. So titrations are pretty straightforward. This long tube here on top is something called a burette. Basically all it is it's a hollow tube with a valve at the bottom so that you can control how fast something comes out of it. And there's a whole bunch of marks on the side so that you can measure and know exactly how much liquid you have inside of it. So inside of the burette we have our reactant with unknown concentration. We also have a beaker. The beaker is filled partway with a reactant or a reagent of known concentration and a known reagent, as well as a little bit of indicator. So indicators change color at a certain pH. So what we'll do is we'll add our unknown concentration to our known material, and at a certain point the beaker and the solution inside of it will change colors. We then stop the addition at that point. The end result is you've lost some volume in your burette, and based on that change in volume you can figure out the concentration that you had. You go through a couple of calculations. It's a pretty straightforward process. So this has been a brief discussion of titrations and how to do them.